What's up, guys? This is Jimmy, also known as Jumanji 1776. I am a moderator at Option Goats Trading LLC. That's right, we are a real LLC. No, we are not a licensed financial professionals, but we do have a Discord server that comes with Option Flow, a bot, yours truly, and a couple other traders, members that keep it lively here at the OG Trading headquarters. So, a couple things I want to make sure I go over. This is the swing recap for September 6th. This was a short week because we had Labor Day on that Monday. Quite a few people were still on vacation, including myself. Well, I didn't really go anywhere, but I still I took some time off during the week. But there were a couple things in the market that, you know, the market just kept going up last week, just like the week before. Or excuse me, I'm so sorry. The market came down last week while it was topping off, which I'll go over on the chart on the SPY and the NASDAQ here in a minute. But first things first, if you go to optiongoatsllc.com, this will take you to our main website. If you go down here and you join free, this will take you to the Discord server. If you join the OG Prime membership, you get the bot, you get the mods, you get basically whatever you need as far as options trading. If you use the code SPRING30, instead of paying $60 a month, you'll be paying $30 a month. But Jim, what am I paying for? What am I paying for? I want to know why am I paying the money that I am? Because there's so many servers, Jim, that they want to charge people, and yet I don't want to be paying somebody for their plays, because if they're bad plays, I don't want that. Well, say no more. The whole point of having Option Goats Trading is our bot. When you're paying the $30 a month premium, this down here is what you're getting the chat, you're getting the mods, you're getting everything else, but what you're really getting is the option flow down here. So like, let's say we're looking at the scalping bot. This bot tells you what symbol, where the entry, if you're going long or short, if it's a reversal or if it's a continuation, target, stop loss, potential profit, and even recommends what kind of equity you should be buying, what kind of options contract you should be buying. Repeated flow, this tells you any kind of options. That's like right now, this morning, we're getting a lot of Apple calls coming in. So let's look at our chart. Apple, it looks like it, came back down, came back up. Now there was a bounce down here. Nice little bounce down here. I was going to say, where's the opening? Oh, here it is. Let's open this up. There we go. There's the pop. There's the drop. That's probably why we got calls there. Bullseye bot. So like, let's say, Jim, gosh darn it. All right, I'm in. I like the bot. Looks really cool. Now, what do I do with it? All right, well, what you can try out is you can use the Bullseye trade ideas. If you go to the Bullseye bot, this spits out about 40 to 70, sometimes 100 call outs a day. What it does is that these are swing trades that are meant to be done in 1 to 2 days. Symbol ATER, the strike is 10, expiration 10:15, the call you're buying, and the AI confidence is 56%. Premium spent was this volume in the OI. If I click on this link, because I have OG Prime, right? I have OG Prime. I'm going to click on this link, and what's it going to do? It's going to show me a chart of 15 minutes. This is a chart of a 15-minute time frame. Tells me that on that equity, had I bought it at the time that it released the call out, I would have been up 27%. Is every one of them going to hit like this? No. No. In fact, the best thing that you can do is look at a call out and then look at the market and decide, am I trading with the market, or am I just buying this trade? Because if you're just buying that trade, you're not doing it right. You need to buy it. And if it looks like the market's going to go down, buy a put on something that will go down with it, right? So you can increase your chances of profiting from that trade. Okay. If you trade crypto, it gives you crypto signals too, crypto breakouts, and then your typical large sweeps, large block trades, analysts, upgrades, breaking news, bot, insider trading. Another really cool thing that I really like about the bot is if I go here and I go TR projections BA, it's going to give me projections on BA. If I go TR top flow for today. It's going to tell me what the biggest bullish and what the biggest bearish flow of the day is. Let's say I want NVIDIA. NVIDIA is the top left right there. If I go TR, SR levels, NVIDIA, and then I go, let's say daily for D, it's going to give me my support and resistances. Furthermore, let's say I want to know the news on NVIDIA right now. TR news, NVIDIA, gives me all the links, If I go TR big flow, NVIDIA, hasn't shown any big flow for today, which is fine. If I go TR algo flow, NVIDIA, this right here is the algo is going to basically tell me based on the options market, they predict that NVIDIA is going to go up higher like this. Okay. And we can also look at the chart. This is a bot that it's not exclusive to us, but I like to use it. Gives us a nice little TA chart. But yeah, that's basically what you're paying for. You're getting the bullseye bot, which gives you call outs all day, every day, gives you some type of ideas. And then you can use the command bot for all kinds of different reasons. All right, so that's the bot. Let's go over a couple things last week. We didn't have that many plays. Like I said, a lot of people were on vacation, including myself and a couple other traders. Members were also on vacation. I was up 62% on the Tesla play that I made. It's a very long-term Tesla play, so I'm not really too crazy about it right now. And Warren making money on Starbucks, $300. Nice job, Warren. He had just got back from vacation on that day, so hells yes. And then here's Starbucks again, making $500. Missed out on $320. Hey, Warren, green is green, buddy. Green is green. All right, so let's go over a couple of plays that I made last week. All right, so DKNG. All right, so we played, I had a couple of plays that I had. I'm thinking, oh, this one's not gonna, but this is okay because we managed risk on this one. We're buying a call debit spread, buying 69, selling the 70. This is way up here. Now that football is over, I think now that we can see that DKNG ran up forward to the NFL week, but then it's dropping immediately the day after the first week of football Sunday. So we only risked $10, the max reward $90. Did not go in our favor, but hey, that's okay because it was only $10. FSLR, so we sold a call spread. Nice. All right, so this one is actually looking pretty good. So FSLR, selling a call vertical spread, selling the 101. So let's do this, 101. Bam. And bam, bam. And 101. And let's make this small. There we go. And the 102. Awesome. That's our spread. We shorted it when it was up here. Now it's down here. We might actually even be able to come out profitable today on this. This is awesome. Nice. And as you can see, this was a short alert that I had. So if you have not used OG Prime, the Jimmy Short alerts, these are alerts that I have hooked up to my trading view. This is one that came up on Friday, right here, hit 102.52. Now it's at 99.06. So we saw this alert right up here, and then we sold premium, and we're in the green right now, which is awesome. So really, really happy about that play. That one is for October 8th, so we still have some time on it. I'm probably going to sit on it for a little bit. Let's look at the SPY for a second. SPY gapped up, is coming back down though. We bought this is 1022. So a 460. So like way up here. 460 call debit spread. So we're buying the 460, sell the 461. It's 1022. So it's like we've got a pretty good amount of time. We're seeing this go up more, right? In this angle. right? So by 10:22, it should be hitting 460 if it's going to continue in the trend that it's been doing, right? Because SPY has kind of done this thing since October of just doing its normal thing. Like if we went back in SPY, and I want to show you, here we go. In 2017, 2018, see, boop, 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 whoop, and then boop, right? This was 2018. Let's go back a little bit more. 2013. Look at this. Boop, 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 boop. Big boop down here, but that's okay. And then boop up, right? So let's go back up to the present. It's kind of the trend that we're seeing now. Yeah. I mean, how much higher can SPY go? I mean, can it keep? It's hard for me to short something that just keeps going high up like this. It's really hard to sell a put premium in the money on a equity that's going up because it's not going to be enough equity. So the premium is in the calls. So for me to manage my risk, I'm having to buy a call debit spread that's out of the money. But I got enough time on it that I feel pretty good about it. So I really like that play. Another one that we're doing is PFE. I grabbed a couple more PFE calls. PFE's coming back down. But you know what? This is for the March expiration. So we're talking like way, oh, whoops, like right over here. We're looking for this to bounce back up this way. Hasn't found a bottom yet on this loop around. So we'll be watching that for sure. And then for Tesla, I'll always make this play. I'm always going to make this play because it hit once and it's not crazy to think that it might hit again. When I had this run up, this was before the split. This was a 3,500 call debit spread. I turned $300 into 10 grand. So now I'm trying to get, now this is what I want to do now is I need to buy, I bought the 1,700, sold the 1,750, about 10 of them for $80, max profits 25K. Tesla would need to go, Tesla would need to double basically from where it's at right now within the next 3 weeks. It would need to start riding up within the next 3 weeks. Now, is that a cheap play? Yeah, it is. $80. Oh my gosh. Yeah. If we hit 900, we probably would be at like a, I don't know, 1,000% gain or something like that. It'd be really, really good. But I'm still watching Tesla. I mean, Tesla is just one of those stocks that I've been watching for such a long time. This is the only stock I can feel comfortable about doubling or tripling in a very small time frame, where even if this play does not work out, it was $80, and if Tesla is still not near as like 800 or even near 750 in January, I'm going to re-up on the same play because it's very, very low risk. Doesn't make any sense to go any farther than that because that's kind of how it happened last time. So awesome, guys. Well, that's the plays that we had. Again, it was a short week. A lot of people were on vacation this week. We have a little bit more action going on. So really looking forward to this upcoming week. Delta variant is a real thing. The market right now is questionable. We're under the 200 MA, so it's not crazy to think that SPY might just pop back up tomorrow, but we'll see, and we'll see what happens. So other than that, guys, don't forget to hit like and subscribe on the bottom right. Check out our other videos that we have on the YouTube channel, and make sure to check out our website. And if you have not checked us out before, you're like, Jim, I don't have Discord. I don't know what the hell you're like. What the hell is a Discord? Again, remember, it's just a chat room. It's just a chat room. And what we have is that we have a bot that's hooked up to it that gives you all kinds of information that we can give you. We got live Twitter feeds down here. And then if you have any questions, just feel free to fill out this message down here on our website, send an email, and it'll come right back to us. So other than that, guys, like I said, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Check out our other swing trades. Make sure to go check out Credit Spread Crash Course. I really like this video because I made it, and two, it gives you a really good idea of how to use credit spreads and how I use alerts, how I make the credit spreads, how I limit risk, and all that good stuff. So again, guys, like and subscribe. this is done for the swing recap of September 6th. Other than that, guys, have a great week. The bell rang like 30 minutes ago. So I'm trying to do it like before the bell ring on Monday morning. So have a great week, trade wisely, and make sure you're on the right side of the trade. So thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.